Hi everybody, here's another fast tip from Fast Homebrew. Today I'm going to show you how to get a satisfying whirlpool. Not necessarily a good one, but a satisfying one. Okay, so here we are in almost real time instead of fast. People have commented about my whirlpools before, so what I do is kind of start out big and slow, and then as it speeds up, I let the spoon kind of drag itself into the middle and push against the wort just a little bit until finally I'm stirring like crazy in the middle. And look at that, nice deep satisfying whirlpool. Very good. I'm proud of myself. And that is the nice tidy pile of stuff that it leaves at the bottom away from the tap there. So you may remember where Mrs. Fast Homebrew did it. I made fun of her for her awful whirlpool that didn't rattled around and didn't seem to make a nice little cone or anything. But despite that, it still ended up as a nice, neat little pile of stuff at the bottom. So, moral of the story is, doesn't matter how you whirlpool, it will work, and you can't argue with results. Thanks for watching. Bye.